Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's make it a great week and a great fall. We kicked into fall this week. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finished down 181. NASDAQ was up 6. S&P's down 8. Gold contract down $2.10, trading at $12.03 an ounce. Silver, flat, $14.30. Light sweet crude, up $1.50. $72.27 a barrel. That had some juice underneath it. Let's go over and take a look at that contract. That contract broke the consolidation. The last 8 months of this consolidation we're in, you did 553,000 contracts out there. Now, that's bottom line, not bad contract volume, not great contract volume. But you got over the highs, which is $71.10. If we do go take a look at the continuous contract inside the oil market, we bring this back, and what you're going to see is that now you are into the bar from July of 2018, and that's where we went from the $74 level to $70 level. Bottom line is that the way this is set up, you can make your way up to this 72, you can make your way up to the 74.26. That's how that baby is set up. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note down 3 ticks, 118.18. 30-year bond off 7, 140.04. Both notes and bonds, they're going to be waiting for the Federal Reserve statement on Wednesday, 2 p.m. What we did have last week is that you had the 10-year break. Its August swing low. Hasn't gone after its May swing low yet. 30-year did test its May swing low last week. They rejected it. What you have out here this morning, today rather, is that it's right at it once again. On the continuous contract, it's a 140.04 number, and I believe that's right where we're at. Yeah, 140.05, so you're at 140.04. Bottom line, you're 1 tick below it. That being said, where we did get the rejection last week, we went down to that 139.24. You rejected it, and now let me go into this contract that we're trading. We're trading the December contract, and what we want to see. Okay, so you did 240,000 contracts, and what we want to see is that, yeah, okay, so pretty cool. So you're going against 434,000. We went down to a low today of 139.30 on this contract we're trading right now. 139.23 was the low. Bottom line, you're going to need more juice in order to get to lower price in that 30-year. But what I do expect is that big volatility come this Wednesday. King dollar, bottom line, sideways move out here today with King dollar. You had light volume. King dollar got inside its lower range last week with conviction. That being said, bottom line, there's no sellers right here. We're down, we're up 42 cents, 42 ticks rather. It is in the bar from the 14th of June. My take is that we want to go into the bottom of that bar. That's where the strength was. That's 92,500. Starbucks. Let's go take a look at Starbucks, SBUX. What you have with Starbucks out here? Starbucks bottom line. We haven't seen this in a long period of time. You do have a new CEO out there. Bottom line, Starbucks down 76 cents today, trading $56.96. We pull this back. You're going to see that Starbucks is definitely off its high of the $64. Not bad, 56. And what you have, Kevin Johnson, who is the new CEO of Starbucks, they, bottom line, are going to basically I don't know if they're going to reinvent themselves, but they're planning an organizational shakeup, including corporate layoffs. Let's see what he has to say. We must increase the velocity of innovation that is relevant to our customers, inspires our partners, and meaningful to our business. To accomplish this, we are going to make some significant changes to how we work as leaders in all areas of the company. The changes are going to start this week, and they're going to carry into November. Let's see. So it's one of the largest, of course, restaurant companies in the world. They have 28,000 cafes. Hey, we'll see exactly what they're going to do. General Electric out here today took a hit once again. Bottom line with GE, folks. GE, number one, has been making its way down to the high of the low of 2009, and we are right next to it right now. I suspect we're going to go into it. The high of that low is $11.35. You made it to 11.60 out here today. You came down with 148 million shares, and what that did is that you broke a swing, you broke it with volume, you get a small ABC structure on the way down on the weekly. On the monthly, it better not be an ABC down because it would be an out-of-business ABC down. You know, we're getting close to the end of the month, but bottom line, on a weekly, it is an ABC structure on the way down. Your A point is 1440. Your B is at about $12, so it's only about $2.50. That would get you down, though, into the price point of 10.25. And at 10.25, it's going to be still a toss-up where you get to the bottom of it. It's the deeper that you get into that bar, meaning the low bar, the higher the probability is that you're going to go to the bottom of it, because that is a high volume low bar. We did 5.9 billion shares there. So the bottom of that bar is 572. The top of the bar is 1135. If we get into that bar by $2, so let's say 935, your probability is very high. You're going right to the bottom of that bar, and that's going to be a real problem. If we take a look at this on a monthly basis, it doesn't look to me like it's going to be able to get enough volume to do an ABC structure on the way down on a monthly, because you'd need like 1.5 billion, and right now we're close to the end of the month, and we've only done 922 million. That being said, if it did what it did out here today, you'd get it. We did 148 million shares today, and I believe that's going to be one of the highest volume equities out here. Yeah, it is the highest volume equity out here today. Tilray, we were talking a lot about Tilray last week. Tilray imploded. Tilray went from a price point of $300 in 4 trading days. We closed out at the low, $99.50. Still don't touch this thing, man. This thing is still way overvalued. This thing is going to go back to $39. Who knows? Less than that. Stay right there, folks. Come right back. Dow Industrials finished down 181. NASDAQ up 6. S&P's down 8.5. We're coming right back.